My name is Emily Pierce. I'm a third-year PhD student with Maine-eDNA, and I'm based at the University of New England. My research focuses on invasive species, looking at the environmental DNA they shed in hopes that we can use the eDNA to detect the species in the water. I think outreach is really important for scientists because, there's this big gap between being in the laboratory and actually practicing the science and having it applicable to people. I first got involved in outreach with the National Marine Sanctuary Foundation, where I led field trips for students. And I was finding that even though some of these students lived 10 minutes from the ocean, they had never seen the ocean before. And to me, that was really baffling. It showed kind of the socioeconomic divide between what I was able to do with my privilege and what they were not able to do. And so that has really driven me to want to do more outreach so that people of different races, socioeconomic status, different locations know that science is a place for them. And so I've done a variety of different outreach projects through Maine-eDNA and in partnership with especially the 4-H Cooperative Extension. So part of what I did last year was a 6-week special interest club with teens in the state of Maine, getting them out into the intertidal, teaching them how to use tools like iNaturalist and other sort of community science-based tools in order to conduct research and find some of these invasive species that we're concerned about in the state of Maine. So with the special interest club that I led, we invited our teens out to the intertidal with us, and some of them drove 3+ hours to be with us. We met together at Southern Maine Community College and explored the intertidal there using our tools like we got them macro lenses for their phones, waterproof phone cases, and just had a really great afternoon exploring and seeing species they had never seen before. I've also done library programs with little infants who are kind of crawling around on the floor and kindergartners. And then lastly, I teach a community college class at Southern Maine Community College, so I kind of get the broad range of both infants and little, babies touching a sea star for the first time to college students and some non-traditional students.